In today's video, I'll teach you how to watch live TV on DAZN. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in DAZN.com, press enter. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of DAZN. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to watch the live TV, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to find the options like home, all sports, live TV, schedule. Simply click on this option, live TV. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the live TV interface. From this interface, you can see over here, you'll be able to watch the live TV. You'll also be able to select the channel over here. You'll be able to see all the channels. Some channel might be free, but in order to watch the live TV of some channel, you might have to buy the subscription. So for that, you'll have to pay. So simply subscribe to the plan and you'll be able to access the live TV of that particular channel. So that is how you watch live TV on DAZN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.